Now we're ready to put the Del Monte quality since 1892 tomato sauce original style with 3 times more love. Has lycopene, net weight 200 grams.
Mahaba, wag na.
Mahaba na to eh. Big ang palayang with sutanghon. What the fuck is that, man? What the fuck?
What the F?
4.
Mahirap.
4. Make sure na walang tira. Ganito magsimot ng mga ganitong bagay. See that? Parang walang sayang. That's so good. Ouch.
Hindi lang one shot.
What the F? Oy! Ito nga pala yung pintang ko. Astig yan. Nanunod ng kabayo. Yes. That, man. That. Ang lapot nila, oh. Little bit of salt. Little bit of salt. Little bit of salt. Yeah. Wala lang siyang green peas kasi
Pag-green yun.
Nabuksan ako ng budget. Siyensya na kayo.
Pag-green yun. Init.
Wow! Parang summer.
Tawag.
To make it more thicker,
Tikal.
put a little bit of sugar.
Brown sugar.
That's a nice sugar.
Wala ka ng white sugar.
Nalaman ko ngayon.
At ang butter sa init, dislocate.
Uy, stick yun. Yes. Let it simmer again. Kita niyo, nakita niyo mga kaibigan. Namula yung manok. Hindi lang ang sabaw ang pula. That's what I'm saying. Need a ketchup within. Yes.
What? Ano, Jackson?
Bawang po.
Sabi ko sibuyas.
Bawang. Paano makita?
Ba't di ka pa makaubos ng iba?
Nakutos ako ng Joanne. Ayun, bawang. To make it more tastier, put some dairy.
Ka-dairy queen.
Paano matututo magluto na?
Marunong ako magluto.
Let it melt alone.
Let it melt. Let it melt.
See that melting? Did you see that melting? Look at that, man.
What the F?
That's a nice melt, man. It looks like a tomato. Oh, potato. That, man. That. See that dairy? Looks like a potato. Hey. Is that dairy cream hard melt?
Hard melt.
Hard melt.
Go.
Oh. Smell that, man.
Hindi nyo maamoy yun. Kasi Nanonood lang kayo eh.
Yeah.
Kamis masyado ka? Kamis, no?
That's great, man. You need this chilies. To have a kick, need that. Yeah. Come on, chilies. Make it spicy.
Kuya Mario.
Alam ko na pangalan mo.
Kuya mo.
Sasha.
Buhay mo, alam mo.
Bakit Kuya Perry?
Nakikita mo to?
Wow, ngayon. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Hindi niya tayo kaya, bro.
Balik tayo sa luto. Tapos sinaengay.
That's a nice boil. See that boil? See that boil?
Oy, buhay mo na dito.
Kunin mo na.
I just need some salt. That's good. Ganyan magluto. Walang kahit anong nilagay. Kahit mga masarap, virgin. Natural ingredients.
David Blaine. Tapos na?
Yes.
Okay. Ito na tayo sa pag pinali. Tapos na naman ang isang edisyon na
Cooking with Maoy.
Yeah.